The new Tesla Pi phone is a work of art. Hold on, it's a technological breakthrough, with the giants of the smartphone industry becoming increasingly complacent with the yearly minimal upgrades of their devices. This is Elon Musk's chance to cause a major shakeup in the smartphone industry with the announcement of the Tesla Model Pi. Gripes with Apple. Elon Musk is an iPhone user and has openly criticized them. This is what he said: "People are used to the phone being better every year. I'm an iPhone user, but I think some of the recent software updates have not been great. Certainly feeding into that point, it broke my email system, which is quite fundamental." Other disadvantages of the iPhone which have been noted are the inability to increase the built-in storage or difficulty in tethering the device to a Windows PC or laptop. Besides these disadvantages, the Apple iPhone is a terrific smartphone and is a good choice for anyone. But many more smartphones can do the same functions. If you have the option to have something way better like the Tesla Pi phone, you should 100% go for it. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of the Tesla Pi phone. Exterior and design. Tesla has brought the same design philosophy that has punctuated its other successful products. Its cars combine great looks with performance and are among the best-looking electric vehicles on the market. Now, the Pi phone shares the same sleekness and bold, attractive colors. You will appreciate the sleekness when you hold or behold it. The innovations of the exterior of the Pi phone range from little tricks such as changing color when you turn it into the sunlight to giant leaps such as housing a solar panel at the back. You heard that right, a solar panel built in. More on that later. The Tesla Pi phone reportedly comes with a 6.9-inch Super AMOLED full touchscreen display with an 8K resolution, allowing you to see in high quality without lagging. The ability to change color in the sunlight is due to a photochromic coating on the surface of the phone. On the front, you'll find a 108 megapixel camera, but here's the catch. Unlike other phones, the camera is completely placed underneath the screen, and you will only notice its presence when you do a video call or take a selfie. This makes the Tesla Pi phone largely free of notches and holes that plague other phone makers. The front camera isn't the only thing being kept under the screen, because there is also a fingerprint scanner under the screen. There are a total of 4 camera lenses at the back: a 200 megapixel primary lens, a 24 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 16 megapixel wide sensor, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor with the ability to space zoom up to 200 times. These lenses would elevate your photography experience to another level. Either you're out with family on the beach on a sunny afternoon, or you're stargazing with your loved one at night. This is a camera that's built for any and all occasions. Unlike in most phones, the Tesla camera lenses are placed in the uppermost center instead of the corner. And this unique orientation is more than aesthetics. It allows for a larger battery pack and thus longer life. Powered by the sun. As a fervent supporter of being green, Elon Musk would stop at nothing to advance beyond the use of charging cables by implementing solar panels into the Tesla Pi phone. In addition, he is always trying to improve and create new solar and battery technology. In 2016, he acquired SolarCity, a clean energy business, for $2.6 billion and integrated the business into Tesla Energy, which is a subsidiary of Tesla. Tesla Energy strives to offer solar services to homes, including the installation of solar batteries. With access to these resources, it makes sense that Elon Musk would integrate the use of this solar technology into a phone that requires no charger. Turning the phone upside down is enough to start recharging batteries when you run out of energy. That is, provided it's sunny outside, of course. With Musk being a battery enthusiast, there is no doubt that the battery is going to be packing heavy duty. The maximum milliamp is going to be 7,000, and light use is sufficient to carry you throughout the day without needing to recharge. You'll be able to stream your favorite Netflix show, browse the internet, or play the latest Call of Duty mobile without fear of the battery running out quickly. Car control. Tesla already has an Android and iPhone app that allows users to control their Tesla cars with just their mobile devices. The app does the basic things, such as allowing users to lock or unlock their automobiles, start or stop the engine, a media controller, and locate the vehicle. However, the Tesla Pi phone would come with the car control feature already built into it, and users will not require to download an application to use it. The smartphone would be equipped with cutting-edge technology to match Tesla's automobiles, which means you can use your phone hands-free while driving, summon the vehicle when you're away, and even drive the car from the Pi phone. Extra functions may be provided in the Pi phone for Tesla car owners. This includes AI chauffeur and robotaxi, which has been teased by Elon Musk in past interviews. Satellite connectivity. The Tesla Pi phone is permanently connected to the satellite, meaning you'll be connected to the internet 24/7. 24/7. SpaceX started launching Starlink satellites in 2019, and as of September 2022, Starlink consists of over 3,000 mass-produced small satellites in low Earth orbit. The introduction of satellite connectivity to the Tesla Pi phone is a game changer, as the internet and network offered by satellite are massively superior to that offered by cellular networks. The satellite internet is rapid and efficient, with download speeds reaching up to 200 megabytes per second. It will also let you send SMS even when you don't have signal. The numerous hurdles of cellular internet will also be a thing of the past, and these hurdles include poor connectivity when hiking in the rainforests of Costa Rica, a ski trip in the Rocky Mountains, or even the avoidable lagging of WhatsApp video calls. With the Tesla Pi phone, a sailor in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean will have an excellent uninterrupted video call with his business partner in a remote settlement in Africa. Starlink will soon extend its services to Mars, so whether you're on Earth or Mars, you can be assured of a rapid internet connection. Mind phone connection. Musk owns another firm called Neuralink, and Neuralink is the future of technology. The very words of Elon Musk are, "Smartphones are yesterday's technology. Neuralink is the present." The company's aim is the creation of a smooth interface between computers and the human brain, allowing people to control computers just by thinking about them. The Neuralink app is still in production, and integration into the Tesla Pi phone might come later down the line. Even though it seems far-fetched, a sneak peek into the Neuralink research shows a monkey playing mind pong with nothing but its mind. Neuralink must still clear several moral and legal obstacles before it achieves its objective of merging man with machine. Neuralink will make communication easier for people struggling with language hurdles, people with mental illnesses, as well as speech-impaired people. They just need to think about anything and the Tesla Pi phone will understand it. With a regular smartphone, if you want to play a song on YouTube, you would have to switch application to YouTube, search for the song, and press play. But with the Neuralink integrated into the Tesla Pi phone, all you have to do is think about the song and boom, it plays. Convenient, right? Crypto mining. Elon Musk is a fan of cryptocurrency, and as an investor and enthusiast of Dogecoin, it isn't surprised that Elon Musk would try to incorporate cryptocurrency functionality into the Tesla Pi phone. Thanks to the powerful chip in the Tesla Pi phone, you can mine crypto. The crypto in question is the Mars coin, one that Musk will introduce for the eventual Mars settlers so that they have their own currency. Now, if you're lucky enough to be the owner of a Pi phone, as well as a citizen of Mars, you will have a powerful device used to crunch out cryptos. You can store the coins or make transactions with it, making your Pi phone act as your ATM card as well as a bank. Seeing that the Tesla Pi phone will also be available for Earth citizens too, business transactions can be done from Earth to Mars. Now that's what I call an interstellar transaction. Storage and capacity. If you're concerned about the storage of the Tesla Pi phone, we've not forgotten about that. The storage capacity of a smartphone is what guides many users on what to purchase, and the Tesla Pi phone does not disappoint. An Apple iPhone can hold up to 512 gigabytes of data, and that is already quite a lot. But the Tesla Pi phone is rumored to dazzle the market with a whopping 2 terabytes, along with unlimited cloud storage. This is even more than my personal computer and many of your personal computers. The RAM is also necessary for speed and fast processing. A lot of the Tesla Pi phone's contemporaries clock out at 4 gigabytes of RAM, but the Pi phone boasts 8 gigabytes of RAM. Pricing and affordability. The Tesla Pi phone is rumored to cost around $1,200 in the United States, and that's not surprising based on all the staggering features mentioned above. Tesla is no stranger to expensive products, but what is guaranteed is that you will get absolute value for dollars spent. The announcement of the Tesla Pi phone is going to cause a much-needed shakeup in the smartphone industry. With the innovative features in the Tesla Pi phone threatening to make Apple and Samsung obsolete in the next 10 years, they have no choice but to sit up, because I currently doubt anyone would be able to use a Samsung phone on Mars. The release would also aid in broadening the ecosystem of Tesla, as it would allow Tesla car owners to purchase the Pi phone and the Pi phone owners to purchase Tesla cars. Well, hey, when life gives you lemons, buy a Tesla. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other awesome videos on the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.